Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. Today, I'm going to create some 3D art. So let's begin. We'll insert shapes, choose a square, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, black, shape outline, weight, 1.5. Change this to fixed position so it's easier to move. And then go copy, paste. And what you want to do is you right click, edit points, and now you can adjust this. So that's going to be our back wall. With this one too, edit points. Match this up like so. You can change it as you wish. Maybe this is a little bit too pronounced, so let's move it like that. And then this one here, edit points, move it right onto that part. Okay, so that's the back wall and the floor. Now we're going to need a ladder. Insert shapes. Let's get another square. I'm going to say shape fill, no fill. Outline is black. Outline, make it 2.5. Maybe a little bit more than that. I think 3. Okay. I'm gonna make it fixed position. You're gonna go copy, paste. Just adjust it in there. Do it again. Paste. Okay. Go into Home, select objects, and then shape format, group, and then change that to fixed position. So now you have a ladder. Put our ladder here. Go into format shape. Now we just can change it a little bit. Let's just rotate it first. Do it that way too. And then lean it towards the wall here. I think just a little bit. Like that. And this part here, I think it's just a little bit too pronounced. I'm going to pull that in like that. Okay, that should do it. Now that we have our ladder here, we can add some shadow. Click on the ladder, go. Go into the middle icon, shadow, and we're going to choose one of these down here. The perspective, we'll try this one. That one looks good. Now that we have the shadow, we can do the change the size here. And as you can see, as soon as I change it, it moves. I'm not sure how much to have it, but angle as well. Just see how much distance. You want the distance changed, angle. Here's the angle. I want it to line up down here, and it does. And then transparency. I want it probably a little bit on the darker side. And the blur is 6 points. At least 7. I think 6 will be okay. Let's just see if the angle, we can change the angle a little bit. Distance. Blur size. I think that's okay. Transparency. I'm just going to add some gradient. Fill. Very light gradient. Let's try this one. Shape fill. And then I want the light on that side. Just see. Either this one, or this one. I'll choose that one. Then for this, shape fill again, very light. And then I'm going to put the gradient matching, like so. Now I'm also going to give it some shadow here for the floor. So I select it, shape format, shape effects, shadow, and just select that. And then the final thing, home, select objects. We're going to make all of this one. Group that. Actually, you have to select this as well. Group it all. And change that to fixed position. Now I'm going to move it here and make it larger. And that's it. Thanks for watching.